So in 2 words, can you describe your camp experience?
While it was wonderful but very tedious.
Pretty amazing.
Stressful and eventful.
Made a lot of friends and met people that I didn't even know. Like I even became more free because I'm a very introverted person, so I got to talk to people like my roommates and my platoon and everything.
It was great and it was adventurous.
It was scary and I can say amazing.
So what are your expectations during your service year?
To basically gain experience, going out in the world now, any job you are going for demands experience. So I think and I choose to see this service year as my year of gaining experience in my field.
While I have a lot of expectation, number one is the ability to expand my scope in my field of studies, because I'm going to meet new people with new ideas, with new knowledge, and I want to expand my field and as well as network myself, and at the end of the day serve my father's land.
I really want to work in a place that will be really useful. I want to utilize my skills and
I hope that I have a good place I can work and continue my freelancing business online.
I'm Esther Salami with the News Chronicle, and I'm currently at NYSC Kubwa campground, where you would see that it will rain since morning.